Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix missing chat history sync now on Messenger. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So if you're seeing this missing chat history sync now option not showing on Messenger, so what you want to do is to follow this method to fix it. So first open your Messenger application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will redirect it to home page. From here, tap on the three lines icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon, which is our settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down until you find privacy and safety. Let's tap on privacy and safety. Now, here in the security section, you might want to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. From here, select security alert and then tap on manage security alerts. And here, make sure to turn this on. Now I want to go back. Now you want to select safe website browsing. Also, you want to turn this on. So if it's turned off, you want to turn it on. Now, the next thing we can do is to close our Messenger application and go to our Google Play Store or App Store. So search for Messenger and make sure that your Messenger application is updated to the latest version. So if you see an update button here, you might want to update it to the latest version. So that's basically how you can fix missing chat history sync now on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.